In this video I'll show you what to do in case the shifter of your Subaru is in gear. Okay, it could be reverse, neutral, or even drive, and it's stuck there. It does not move. Okay, so it's very easy. Take a screwdriver, a pen, anything sharp, maybe even a knife. And what we'll do next, okay, you're gonna find this cap, could be here. Check around the shifter bezel. You're gonna take your screwdriver and you're gonna pop the lid of this small, I don't know how to say, opening. Okay, this is the lid, don't lose it. And now you need to insert a pencil there, or a screwdriver, anything, okay, that goes deep enough. You're gonna feel there's a spring, and with one hand you're gonna push on this, and on the other one, with the other one, you're gonna move the shifter. You're gonna feel that the shifter will be able to move freely. Now it's hard to do it because I'm holding my iPhone. Let me try to do it. So I'm pushing over there. So I'm pushing and I'm moving the shifter at the same time. Here we go. So this way I was able to put it in park, and then you can start your car and hopefully everything will fix itself. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, also comment down below if it worked. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.